life. What is life? In our digital age of bits and wires, what separates the binary from the organic? What does it mean to be alive as our machines grow ever smarter, ever more capable? What does it mean to be human? The Paper Genome project is a meditation on the tenuous and unknowable thing that we call life. Before me, a pair of 40-year-old punch machines slowly and mechanically works their way through the human genetic code, translating every A, C, T, and G into the code of the machine, binary. They punch this binary code into a strand of paper tape that slowly fills the room around me. By whom is it to be read? By whom is it to be understood? The machines do not say. As I gaze upon the piles of genetic material slowly spewing forth from these crude machines, I have to wonder, is this paper alive? Sometimes the paper almost seems to breathe, to pulsate with organistic energy. And maybe it's not alive, but then again, this is only 1.5% of the human genome. If the entire genome were to be printed on paper, would that be alive? Would that be human? If life can emerge from mechanical and chemical processes, who is to say that life cannot emerge from paper? Who is to say that machines cannot create life? In these punches, I see duality. They are mechanical, yet give rise to the raw materials of life. Their destruction of the paper is, in fact, an act of creation. And the paper, too, it is a thing that was once alive, but is now dead. Now it is becoming alive again. Two punches, organic and binary, life and death, a double helix, forever intertwined. Without either side, neither has meaning. This is the scaffold upon which life exists. It is a tenuous existence. These machines are obsolete, members of a dead species, an evolutionary dead end, and yet they continue. They continue to destroy. They continue to create. Do they dream of what they print? Could this be God? All this paper, and yet life remains as mysterious as ever to me. It is at once so intimate, and yet forever just out of reach. Are these machines alive? Am I just a punch machine? What does it mean to be alive? The Paper Genome Project does not pretend to answer these questions because they are questions without answers. And yet we continue on. We continue to destroy. We continue to create. And maybe we continue to dream. And perhaps, just perhaps, that is life.